In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed link in Salesforce. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add clickable hyperlinks to an email in Salesforce, preview them to make sure they work, and send your message with confidence. Start on your Salesforce homepage. From here, move into the Sales workspace so you can access your records and the email tools you'll need. Once you're in Sales, open a record you can email from. In this example, we'll open a test record so nothing goes to a real contact. Select your record to bring up its details. On the record, open the email composer. This is where you'll build the message and insert your links. In the subject line, enter something simple and clear that matches the content you're sending. Then click into the message body and start typing. To follow along closely, type a short line of text that includes the words type and then link. This gives us some text to work with when we add our first hyperlink. Now look for the link button in the email toolbar. Click that to open the link dialog. In the dialog, enter a link URL title. For this example, type Salesforce as the title. This is the clickable text your recipient will see in the email. Below that, add the actual web address in the link URL field. Type https www.salesforce.com and make sure it includes the full HTTPS prefix so it resolves correctly. When you're done, click Save. You should now see the word Salesforce in your message body as a hyperlink. Next, let's practice a second way to embed a link by starting with the text first. In the body, type a new word, link. Click to place your cursor on or select that word. Then click the link button again to embed a link on the selected text. In the dialog this time, just enter the link URL, https://www.salesforce.com. Since the text in your email already says link, you don't need to fill in the title field. Click Save. You'll now have two hyperlinks in the message. One showing the word Salesforce and another showing link, both pointing to the same website. Before sending, it's best practice to preview the email. Click Preview to open the email as your recipient will see it. In the preview window, click each link to confirm it's active and correctly formatted. You don't need to navigate away. The goal here is simply to verify that both links are clickable and look right in the layout. If anything doesn't look correct, you can close the preview and adjust the link title or URL as needed. When everything checks out, close the preview to return to the composer. Give the message one last glance, verify the subject line, skim the body text, and confirm both links are present and accurate. When you're satisfied, click Send to deliver the email. After the message is sent, close the email panel by clicking the X so you're back on the record page. A few quick tips as you practice this. Always include the HTTPS or HTTP prefix in your URLs to avoid broken links. Keep your link text descriptive so recipients know where they're going when they click. And use the preview step every time, especially if you're adding multiple links to catch formatting or copy errors before your message goes out. That's it. You navigated to your record, opened the email composer, added a subject and body, embedded a link with a custom title, embedded another link by selecting existing text, previewed to confirm everything worked, and then sent the email. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step while you try it yourself.